Assalamu alaikum everybody and welcome to ICT Year 5. In today's lesson we're going to continue with our little game in Scratch. So the first program that we're going to do is this little buddy over here, found on the book page number 33. To do this program, first you need to delete this sprite right here, bye bye Caddy, and then bring a new sprite. Preferably a sprite that looks like a ball, so bring any ball. Maybe you can use the search bar over here and type ball. We've got a regular ball, a ballerina, that's not what I'm looking for, balloon, not what I'm looking for. Maybe I'm gonna use soccer ball, we've seen that a lot, so let's use the tennis ball. For the tennis ball I'm going to write the exact same program as seen on page number 33. So I'm gonna put it on the side right here so that I can copy. Yes. So as always, every single program in Scratch starts with an event, okay? And in today's event is when green flag is clicked. Now I don't want to use this one because it has the weight and I don't want the sprite to wait, so I'm going to use the one on the top right here. Go to X and Y, those are coordinates, as you know. X and Y are coordinates, right? So where can I find this one? In motion. Go to X and Y. And on the program here it says 200 by 150. So I'm going to double click over here and type 200, and over here I'm going to type 150. Next block is point in direction. It's also motion, right? Point in direction, so it's also found in the group motion. Point in direction and 90 degrees. Here I'm going to change it from 90 to 135 so that the ball would be bouncing like in a kind of like everywhere on the screen. And then I'm going to grab the loop forever, and the loops are found in control. What's inside forever? If on edge bounce. If on edge bounce is a movement, right? So it's also found in motion. Scroll down and you will find if on edge bounce and grab it inside the loop. Next, move 10 steps. Move 10 steps. So let's look at the program right here. So when the green flag is clicked, go to this certain point on the screen or on the theater, point in direction this way, and then forever. If on edge bounce, move 10 steps. That means when you touch this edge or this edge or this edge, all 4 edges bounce and then move 10 steps forward. And this is going to be repeated forever. So let's click on the green flag and see what happens. Pretty exciting, right? What if I want to make this ball bigger? When we are talking about shapes, everything is found on looks, right? You find change size by 10 or set size to 100. If you want to make it bigger, you can make this 100 instead of 100 type 150 and then click on the green flag. See, the ball became like half of its size bigger because it's 150, right? Next, we're going to apply this program found on the book page number 34. This little guy right here. Let's put them side by side. Before that, I need to grab a new Scratch. So this Scratch can be any character that you like. I'm going to click on all, maybe animals. Okie dokie, let's see something that's cool and colorful. How about this octopus right here? Now we're going to apply this program on page number 34 to this little octopus right here. And the program starts with an event. The same event as last time when green flag is clicked. Set size 2. If you want to make the sprite smaller, you can use this one. So set size 2. If it's about looks, then where is it found? On the group named looks. Now let's look for the set size 2. There it is. Let's change from 100 to 25 25%. Next, forever loop. So let's go and grab the loop. Forever. And this time, we're going to make it follow the mouse. Go to mouse pointer, which is found in motion. And there it is. Instead of random position, change it to mouse pointer, so that it's forever following the mouse. That's why we added the loop over here. Now we're going to add an if statement. Where do you think the if statement is found? In which group? Maybe control? That is correct. And we only need the if and then. We don't need the if then else. No, we only need if and then. So let's grab this one and put it right below go to, right? And then we have a sensor here, touching ball. If it's touching the ball, so this one is found in sensing. So touching mouse pointer, that can be changed. Put it inside the if and change mouse pointer to the tennis ball. Why? Because you have a tennis ball over here. And then play a sound. You can use play a sound if you have speakers on your computer. And any sound can be found in the group named sound. So play sound is found right here. So let's grab this one and put it inside the if. So now we're done with this program. When the green flag is clicked, set size to 25%. That means this little guy, this little octopus over here, is going to get even smaller. And then it's going to continue following the mouse because it's inside the forever loop. And if this octopus touches the tennis ball, play an ocean wave. You can change it to splash as well. It depends on which sprite you added over here. The sound will change. So let's click on the green flag and see what happens. Now the ball is bouncing all over the screen and the octopus is following the mouse, right? Okay, so you notice that whenever I touch the tennis ball, it plays the sound, and that is the amazing thing that if does. If we didn't have this if, we wouldn't know how to do this. But the event only happens when this sprite touches the ball. So if statement works with conditions. If this condition is true, then and only then play the sound. Okay, that's why it's called if statement, and it works with conditions. What do you think if the octopus did not touch the ball? It will not make a sound, right? But if it touches the ball, then play sound splash. You can choose any event that happens here. Let's change the sound to ocean wave. And let's test the program. Run. See, now I'm running away from the ball as the game suggests. The game is about averting the ball, running away from the ball and not letting it touch you. But let's voluntarily touch the ball. I hope you heard the ocean wave. Let's make this game even more interesting. I want this ball to be faster than it is. So I'm going to click on the tennis ball. The program that I wrote for the tennis ball will show up. Now it says here move 10 steps, right? But I want it to move faster. So instead of 10, I'm going to type 30. And let's see what happens when I run the program. See, now it's faster, right? And it gets, oh, it gets really difficult for me to get away from the ball. Well, in today's lesson we learned more about how does the loop work, and it goes on. And in the octopus we added the if statement, and we learned a lot about the if statement. In the next lesson we're going to keep this game count scores. It's going to be really interesting because every time you touch the ball it's going to give you one score, and the more you get scores, that means you are losing. So till I see you in the next lesson, I hope you guys understood everything and you have enjoyed it. Take good care. See you in the next lesson. Bye.